Hello fifth graders, welcome to this video, and in this video today we're going to learn lesson 33. So let's get right into it. So the first one we're going to learn is dividing decimals. We're going to work on number 1 and 3 together. And for number 1 we have 3.0 divided by 0.3. And when we divide the decimals, the first thing we have to do is to see if the divisor is a whole number. And in this case, we have the divisor of 0.3, and 0.3 is not a whole number. And in order to make this number to a whole number, we're going to move the decimal point to the right by 1 unit. So I'm going to move it here. And when I move the decimal point for divisor, I have to do the same thing to dividend. So I'm going to move the decimal point here too. So this will be 30 divided by 3. So now we have the divisor of a whole number. So 3 goes into 30 and it will be 10 because 10 times 3 is 30. So we write 30 here and then we subtract. 30 minus 30 is 0. Alright, so the final answer for number 1 will be 10. Let's do number 3. We have 8.0 divided by 0.4. So again, we need to see if the divisor is a whole number. And we have 0.4, which is not a whole number. So I'm going to move the decimal point for both of them. So I'm going to move it. And it will be 80 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 8 first, and then it will be 2, right? Because 2 times 4 is 8. And then we have 0 here. I'm going to write 0 here. So the final answer will be 20. Okay. And let's move on to the next one, which is dividing with remainders. So we're going to work on number 1 together. We have 78 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 78, and we're going to get 9, right? Because 9 times 8 is 72. So I'm going to write 9 here, and then 72 here. So again, we subtract this from 78, and we get 6, right? So the answer will be 9 with the remainder of 6. Okay, so this will be the final answer. You should write the remainder along with the quotient. Okay, and then the next one is building numbers. So let's work on number 1, and we have 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 700. So we have 20,000, and then we're going to add 6,000 first. And then I'm going to add this number with 700. And this will be, I'm going to write 3 zeros here, and a comma. And then 0 plus 6 is 6. And then 2 just comes here. So this will be 26,000. And then I'm going to write the 700, and I'm going to add them. So 0, 0, and then 0 plus 7 is 7,000, and then 26 just comes here. So the final answer will be 26,700. This will be the 5-digit numbers. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the final page, and we have converting. So we're going to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. So let's work on number 1. So we have 18 over 4. So I'm going to divide 18 by 4. So 4 goes into 18, and we get 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16. And then we subtract it, and then we get 2. So this is the remainder. So I can write it as 4 and then 2 over 4, right? So 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So this is equal to 16 plus 2 over 4, and this is equal to 18 over 4. So this is the same. So this is the mixed number, but then we have 2 over 4, and this can be simplified. So I'm going to simplify this fraction. So I'm going to divide by 2 for the both numerator and denominator. So this is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2, right? So this will be 4 and 1 over 2. Okay, so the final answer will be 4 and 1 over 2. And this is it for today's lesson. And thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video.